Why do some people remain unforgettable, while others slowly disappear from someone's mind, no matter how much effort they give? Most people believe that if they want to become important to someone, they must give more attention, more affection, and more reassurance. They think constant availability creates a stronger emotional connection. They assume that the more they prove their value, the more they will be desired. At first, this sounds reasonable. In most areas of life, greater effort produces greater rewards. Work harder and you achieve more. Practice longer and you improve faster. Naturally, people apply the same logic to relationships. But human psychology rarely follows the logic of effort. The mind does not crave what is constantly available. It craves what feels meaningful, valuable, and emotionally significant. When something becomes too predictable, the brain gradually stops paying attention to it. Familiarity creates comfort, but excessive familiarity slowly removes curiosity. And without curiosity, desire begins to fade. This is why chasing often produces the opposite result. The more someone constantly seeks validation, explains themselves, or tries to secure another person's attention, the less emotional space they leave for the other person to think, wonder, or invest. Instead of creating attraction, they unknowingly remove the very tension that keeps interest alive. The greatest mistake is believing that desire can be forced through effort. In reality, desire grows in the space where curiosity survives. The people who remain unforgettable are rarely those who give everything at once. They are the ones who understand that the human mind values what it continues to discover, not what is completely revealed from the beginning. And that is the first law of human nature. The human mind is naturally drawn toward patterns. It constantly tries to predict what will happen next because certainty feels safe. But while certainty creates comfort, it rarely creates lasting fascination. Once someone can accurately predict every reaction, every message, every emotion, and every decision, the sense of discovery begins to disappear. This is why emotional unpredictability is so powerful. Being emotionally unpredictable does not mean becoming manipulative, playing games, or treating people inconsistently. It means refusing to make your entire emotional world completely predictable. It means having your own priorities, your own schedule, and your own emotional balance, instead of allowing another person's attention to determine your mood. When someone knows exactly what you will do every single time, their brain stops investing energy in understanding you. Mystery disappears, and with it, much of the emotional excitement. But when your behavior reflects confidence rather than dependency, curiosity naturally returns. The mind begins asking questions instead of assuming it already knows every answer. Human beings are psychologically attracted to what they cannot fully predict because uncertainty captures attention. It encourages the brain to keep searching for meaning, looking for patterns, and anticipating the next interaction. That anticipation creates emotional investment, and emotional investment is what strengthens desire over time. The strongest presence is not the loudest or the most available. It is the one that remains calm, grounded, and impossible to fully define. People remember those who continue to surprise them with quiet confidence rather than constant reassurance. The first principle is simple: never become so predictable that there is nothing left to discover. Curiosity is the beginning of desire, and mystery is what keeps curiosity alive. One of the oldest principles of human psychology is that people rarely value what comes without effort. The easier something is to obtain, the more quickly the mind begins to take it for granted. This pattern appears everywhere in life, and human relationships are no exception. Many people believe the fastest way to become important is to always be available. They answer every message immediately, cancel their own priorities, and constantly try to prove their loyalty. They assume that endless giving will increase their value. But the human mind often responds in the opposite way. When your attention is always guaranteed, it slowly stops feeling special. What is constantly available becomes expected, and what becomes expected gradually loses its emotional impact. Appreciation is replaced by familiarity, and familiarity without effort often leads to indifference. This is why your presence should never feel automatic. It should feel meaningful. That does not mean becoming distant or withholding kindness. It means allowing your time, energy, and attention to reflect genuine value. A person who has a full life, clear priorities, and healthy boundaries naturally communicates that their presence is something to be respected, not assumed. Psychologically, people become more emotionally invested when they contribute something of themselves. Whether it is time, attention, patience, or emotional vulnerability, investment creates attachment. The more someone chooses to invest, the more significance their own mind assigns to the relationship. They begin protecting what they have worked to build because people value what they have helped create. Those who constantly give everything ask the other person to invest very little. But those who allow connection to develop naturally create room for mutual effort. And mutual effort is what transforms ordinary attention into lasting appreciation. Remember this principle: your presence should never feel difficult to reach, but it should always feel valuable to keep. People protect what they have invested in, and they remember what was never simply handed to them. Most people believe influence comes from speaking more. They explain every feeling, defend every action, and fill every moment of silence with words. They fear that if they stop talking, they will be forgotten, misunderstood, or replaced. But human psychology reveals a different truth. Silence is not the absence of communication. It is often the strongest form of communication. What remains unsaid frequently carries more emotional weight than endless explanations. The human mind is naturally uncomfortable with uncertainty. When information is missing, it instinctively tries to complete the picture. It begins asking questions, replaying conversations, and searching for hidden meaning. In that quiet space, emotional tension is created. This is why people often remember the conversations that ended with mystery more than those where every thought was fully explained. The imagination is far more powerful than certainty. Once every emotion is revealed, every intention explained, and every answer given, there is little left for the mind to explore. Mastering silence does not mean becoming cold, distant, or emotionally unavailable. It means knowing that not every thought deserves immediate expression. It means resisting the urge to constantly justify yourself or seek reassurance. A calm silence communicates emotional control, while endless explanations often communicate hidden insecurity. People are naturally drawn toward those who remain composed under pressure. The individual who can comfortably sit in silence without rushing to fill the emptiness demonstrates confidence that words alone cannot create. Their presence feels grounded because they are not desperate to control every perception. There is another psychological reason silence is so powerful. It shifts the emotional effort onto the other person. Instead of constantly offering answers, you create space for them to wonder, to reflect, and to reach toward you. That small shift transforms passive attention into active emotional investment. The most unforgettable people are rarely the loudest voices in the room. They are the ones whose silence carries meaning, whose words are chosen carefully, and whose presence never depends on constant explanation. Remember this principle: words can capture attention for a moment, but silence captures the imagination. And once the imagination becomes involved, the mind continues the conversation long after the words have ended. One of the greatest misconceptions about attraction is the belief that complete transparency creates the strongest connection. People often assume that revealing every thought, every plan, every emotion, and every detail of their life will make someone feel closer to them. They believe that holding nothing back is the fastest path to intimacy. But the human mind does not become fascinated by what it completely understands. It becomes fascinated by what it is still trying to understand. This is the psychological power of mystery. Mystery does not mean hiding your true self or pretending to be someone you are not. It simply means allowing your life to unfold naturally instead of revealing everything at once. When every chapter of your story is immediately available, there is nothing left for the imagination to explore. Curiosity slowly disappears because the mind no longer has any unanswered questions. The brain is naturally drawn toward incomplete information. It dislikes unfinished patterns and unanswered mysteries. Whenever something feels unfinished, the mind keeps returning to it, searching for closure. This is why people often remember unfinished conversations, unexpected endings, and unanswered questions far longer than situations that feel completely resolved. The same principle applies to human relationships. A person whose entire world is instantly accessible becomes predictable, but someone who continues growing, learning, and living a meaningful life beyond the relationship remains psychologically intriguing. Their identity cannot be fully defined by one interaction, and that sense of depth keeps curiosity alive. Many people unknowingly destroy this effect by constantly updating others on every moment of their lives. They explain every decision, reveal every emotion the moment they feel it, and seek reassurance by sharing everything immediately. Instead of creating closeness, they remove the natural process of discovery that keeps emotional interest alive. Those who understand human nature know that true confidence does not demand constant exposure. They are comfortable letting people discover them over time. They understand that genuine connection grows through shared experiences, not through endless explanations. Remember this principle. You should never become a puzzle that cannot be solved, but you should never become a book that can be finished in a single day. The strongest attraction belongs to those who always leave room for another page, another discovery, and another reason to keep wondering. The greatest source of attraction is not beauty, attention, or constant affection. It is emotional independence. Most people spend their lives trying to become someone's favorite choice. They compete for attention, seek approval, and quietly shape their identity around what they believe another person wants. They fear that if they stop proving their value, they will lose their place in someone's life. But human nature respects those who refuse to build their self-worth on another person's opinion. The moment your happiness depends entirely on someone else's attention, you surrender your emotional freedom. Every delayed message feels personal. Every change in behavior creates anxiety. Every moment of distance feels like rejection. Instead of living your own life, you begin reacting to theirs. Ironically, this is the very behavior that weakens attraction. People are naturally drawn toward individuals who already possess a sense of purpose beyond the relationship. Someone who continues pursuing their ambitions, protecting their peace, and living according to their own values communicates something powerful without speaking a single word. They show that their identity cannot be controlled by external validation. This is what it means to become the standard rather than the option. A standard does not chase acceptance. It does not negotiate its values to avoid being abandoned. It understands that genuine respect begins with self-respect. The people who constantly compromise their boundaries for approval may receive temporary attention, but they rarely receive lasting admiration. Psychologically, confidence is contagious. When someone witnesses another person who remains emotionally grounded, regardless of circumstances, they instinctively perceive them as valuable. Stability signals strength, neediness signals uncertainty, and the human mind almost always gravitates towards strength. Emotional independence also creates something far more powerful than attention. It creates trust. When people know that your emotions are guided by principles rather than impulse, they begin to see you as reliable, composed, and difficult to manipulate. That quiet consistency becomes deeply attractive because it is increasingly rare. This does not mean refusing love or pretending not to care. It means caring without losing yourself. It means offering affection without sacrificing your dignity. It means choosing connection while remembering that your identity exists long before anyone enters your life and will remain long after they leave. Remember this principle. Never make another person the center of your world. Build a life so meaningful that anyone who enters it becomes part of your journey, not the purpose of it. The strongest attraction has never belonged to those who desperately seek to be chosen. It belongs to those who have already chosen themselves. Throughout history, people have searched for the secret of becoming unforgettable. They have looked for the perfect words, the perfect appearance, and the perfect strategy to make someone think about them constantly. But lasting desire has never been created by perfection. It has always been created by value that cannot be easily possessed. The greatest misunderstanding about attraction is believing that it can be earned through constant approval. Many people spend their lives trying to be liked by everyone. They avoid disagreement, suppress their own needs, and continuously adjust their personality to satisfy another person's expectations. They believe acceptance is the highest form of success. Yet human nature quietly teaches the opposite lesson. The people who seek approval often lose the very respect they hope to gain because they communicate one hidden message. They are willing to abandon themselves to keep someone else. Nothing weakens desire more than emotional dependence. Real attraction begins the moment a person realizes that your happiness is not controlled by their attention. When your peace remains intact, whether someone praises you or ignores you, you become emotionally free. And emotional freedom is one of the rarest forms of power. This does not mean becoming cold, distant, or incapable of love. It means loving without attachment to validation. It means caring without surrendering your identity. It means remaining kind without becoming available to anyone who demands your self-respect in return. Every principle in this video points toward the same truth. Mystery creates curiosity. Silence creates emotional tension. Boundaries create respect. Independence creates admiration. Together, these qualities build something far stronger than temporary attraction. They create lasting psychological impact. In the end, people rarely remember those who constantly tried to impress them. They remember the person who remained calm when others chased, who protected their peace when others sought approval, and who carried quiet confidence without demanding attention. Because the deepest form of desire is never created by possession. It is created by the quiet realization that some people can be appreciated, respected, and admired, but they can never be emotionally possessed.